Welcome back, everyone. I hope you enjoyed lunch. We're going to kick off with the startup pitch session now. It's going to be a real quick format. We're going to see a bunch of great companies. They're just going to go for 2 minutes, and then our judges up here are going to do a quick Q&A after that. At the end, there'll be 2 winners announced. There's a couple of interesting gifts today for the ones that come away. We have a handful of judges here from across VC, corporate VC, that will be reviewing and doing Q&A with the startup. We've got Amaric from SanDisk, Brad from CapBridge Ventures, Digive at Walmart Labs, Michael from Mark Cuban Companies, and Dean, who we heard before at Reboot Partners. So with that, we're going to kick it off first here with Neon Mobile.
All right, you guys hear me all right? Good. All right, so my company is Neon Mobile. My name is Chris Ladouceur, and I want to tell you a little bit about small businesses right now. So small businesses have always been a late adopter of technology. They haven't really been on the forefront, but they've been voicing their concerns. Right now you can see that their main goals are to attract customers, of course, to grow their business, and to reduce their operational costs. The way they want to do these and attack these issues is through pushing themselves through social media, acquiring business intelligence, and of course through a mobility solution. These are enterprise-grade problems that they really don't have an enterprise-grade solution for due to the complexity or the cost that's usually associated with those solutions. So with cloud computing and then where we're at now with technology, we're able to tackle these problems for small businesses. What we created, it's a platform. So this platform allows you to manage your data as a business owner, to engage your customers through multiple vertical applications, to promote your products and services through various social media, as well as other methods of getting your products out there, and then ultimately to grow your business, to schedule services, to sell products, to order menu items. Now with a solution this broad, you have to establish a very key team and key personnel. We have a very good group of technologists, of strategic advisors, and strategic partners that help us accomplish this goal. Especially working with Mullen ad agencies, SAP's Startup Focus, IBM Watson, and Constant Contact as great ways to utilize enterprise-grade technology for these small businesses with cognitive computing and with customer engagement. Now I mentioned earlier that this is a platform. What does that mean? That means we connect multiple verticals in a plug-and-play kind of fashion. So instead of a small business having to use multiple different dashboards to manage their customer engagement, they can do it from one location. This can then expand to include inventory management, POS systems, financial tracking, Salesforce management, everything that they need in one place that they can use. The biggest key to this is that we're a platform for small businesses. We allow them to use the tools that they need at the time that they need in a simple and easy to use place. It allows for corporate sponsorship as well. With the partners we have with Amazon and with IBM Watson and with SAP HANA, we also can do that in a marketing channel. Having this dashboard and these access to multiple verticals allows a Coca-Cola to sponsor the product as a mobility solution for their small businesses, as well as different kinds of marketers, retailers, anyone that really wants to help small businesses grow.
Okay, great. Thank you. We'll do a little Q&A here.
I'll start. So it can be tough to excel in each of those kind of different product categories you're in. I mean, there's some entire companies that are focused just on one aspect of those kind of functionality. Do you intend to be an all-encompassing platform, or would you let some people kind of swap out one module and you'd interconnect with someone else's commerce engine, for instance?
Yeah, exactly. So we established those first core applications as really just out of the box here. You can put your information in here and go. But the whole core of it is to have a platform that you could plug and play different items like that. If you want to use Intuit as the way you do your financial tracking, it'll lock right into the dashboard. So we're exploring all of those strategic partnerships so that you do have one location, but it doesn't have to be my specific vertical that you use. It can be a vertical that's already established. And we see that in the market right now at the small businesses. There are a bunch of vertical solutions for individual items, but a small business doesn't have time to manage every single one of those separately. We want to allow them to do it in one place.
So it's an aggregation of existing SaaS solutions, essentially, and so how do you monetize that on top of what those SaaS solutions, independent SaaS solution companies are charging the customer?
Yeah, so we're a subscription model to have the platform, and that platform allows you the customer engagement applications that we built already. And then as you add more premium features, you can add in the Intuits, all the different ones that are structured on top of it. So if you just want a base model of having those applications, handles your menus, handles your appointment services, your couponing, then you can use this. And then that's where we monetize as a subscription model to have the platform to house all the applications.
Do you guys tie into any really hardcore old legacy systems, or is it all just new kind of SaaS stuff, which is a little easier to port to?
So doing for basically information from a business for like menus, stuff like that, we're doing natural language processing and also parsing to get all the stuff that's in unstructured formats, and we're using IBM Watson to really help with that as well. As for integrating with old legacy programs for enterprise-grade solutions, we'll be able to import the data, but we don't really want to attach to it. We want to have this new way for information to be accessed by a business owner. Instead of using XTJS forms, we really want to do, a touch-based, a simple input method, which is what we've designed.
I'm going to throw a quick question. Actually, an opportunity to you. Your audience are a bunch of corporations from all over all different industries. What is your pitch to them in terms of what you want from them, in terms of some kind of business partnership and or what you can deliver to them?
So what we're really thinking about on the more corporate sponsoring level is for those, say, retailers like a Coca-Cola, in order to have this barrier for switching for a small business. So you serve Coke right now, they don't want you to serve Pepsi, they sponsor your mobility solution, and then on that landing page you have, featuring Coca-Cola products. So it gets their brand recognition out, and they're also providing a solution for small business. So it's more of a partnership between them while promoting both brands.
Okay, well, great. Thanks for the team at Neon Mobile.
Yep, thank you very much.
Up next.